Hello, this is the new generation plumbing. That there is the old. That particular assembly or those parts were actually on my car tested. This is the new design, which will get tested on my car. Hello, dog. The difference is the bypass valve is no longer on this line that went under the throttle body and connected with the supercharger inlet here. All right. The bypass valve was rather difficult to assemble in that situation or in that position, and I changed the design to this. So now the bypass valve directly bolts to the throttle body piece instead of the blow-off. The blow-off was mounted there. Now it's the bypass valve, and the blow-off goes on this component here, so on this one, but not on towards the inside. It's just 45 degrees, like so. So that's the new design. I'm going to test it along with a new coating and reinforcement process, and when that is successful and the tests are finished and everything is fine, I will offer these two components as an upgrade to the old kits. And obviously all the new kits that will sell will have these parts and this design.